how to allow or block app permissions to access accessories on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then on the home screen, we tap on Settings. Now from the Settings page, we scroll down, then tap on Privacy and Security. After that, scroll down, and in here tap on Accessories. And here it says apps that have access to one or more accessories will appear here. Additional pair accessory can be found in Home app, Bluetooth, and Wi-Fi settings. So if there are any app displaying in here, you can tap on it to grant permission or deny permission of that app to have access to accessories. And that's it. After that, you can tap on the back key, swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.